Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Back at our favorite spot, the Nefarious City Marketplace. I don't think we can upgrade anything.
You know good merchandise when you see it.
Let me see, how many things do I only got 5. Let's, I think we're gonna be good with this for now. Yeah, we're leaving. See ya. So the last video, we cleaned up all the collectibles, I believe. Okay, so now the little symbol's down on the bottom. That symbol on the right-hand side, I thought that was an orb. Or whatever they're calling them, orbs or lorbs or whatever in there. There was none here. But that's the mask, I guess, that I got over here in the little rift thing that had the bounty house in it that I died many times in just trying to bounce across it. Well, I got it eventually. So I now have a mask. I have this mask. Okay? Cool. But I'm not going to equip it. I mean, you can, I guess. I don't know. It looks kind of stupid to me, but I'm not that infatuated with skins. So this area, we've got all of the collectibles. We have all of the raritanium, whatever it's called. You don't really have a thing that tells you what you have on your body. Oh yeah, down the bottom are 5. Okay, we have 5 raritaniums. 1,749 nuts and bolts. And then we have this thing here, wrench skins, bolt replacement, I don't know what that is, and an enhanced gallery. So for some reason we have more gallery guys. I have the Nefarious bot, but I don't have any orbs, or whatever they're called. I guess they're called lorbs, L-O-R-B-S. There's none here. Alright, so now it doesn't also have I'm still learning. That's why we stayed here in Nefarious City, because I'm learning as much as I can about this. The Neutron Collider. So we have 5 weapons, which is pretty good, I guess. Do I have any gadgets? Oh, I do have gadgets. Omni Glove, Glide Boots, Grind Boots, and Mag Boots. And this stuff all just automatic. It says mag to mag launch. I don't know what that is. Jump, double jump, L3 sprint, hold to glide. To mag launch. I don't know what mag launch does. Let's see. Oh, okay. That's the Phantom. What did he call it? Phantom phase or something. Alright, so we can do this. Can't go very far though, really. Double jump. Okay, glide. I can only glide when I'm going down, I guess. Alright, so we're going to go to the statue. We've got this place cleaned up. We got to go to the statue and see what kind of insanity is going to happen over there. The statue is this way. Get out of my way. Okay, now I gotta do this, okay?
Aha! That has to be the access console.
And there's a big baddie there. Uh-oh.
Where did you even come from?
Alright, let's put on something heavy duty here. Let's give him a blast with the Enforcer. Or the Megatron Collider. Let's try this.
I do not appreciate resistance.
Oh, got me. Oh, no, no, no! What did that do?
Wow.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
There he is.
You were lucky this time.
Where is he? Oh, cut it out. Let's see, which other weapons do we got? We have the Megatron Collider. Let's go with the Enforcer.
I will crush you for your defiance. This will put you in your place.
Not again! At least it was a round trip.
Enemies,
Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Oops. Come on, dude. He's about dead.
Ammo's run dry.
Alright.
The Emperor will hear of this.
Come on. Really? Where is he? Ah, again. I almost get the guy. Where's he at? Did I kill him? Maybe I killed him too. Oh, I must have got him. And he got me at the same time. Okay. Well, let's see if there's any collectible, any stuff to collect. Here's some health. And we got some stuff there. I don't know what those numbers mean up in the top right yet either. It says 18 for 18. Is that all the XP you can get here? Is 18 XP? Give me all this. Give me all this stuff, man. Don't keep any of it away from me. Be stingy. Okay, there's health. So apparently I've got all, and everybody's gone. All the civilians are gone. I don't know what that was. Ammo. So how do I tell what my ammo is? Looks like this is how I tell. Everything seems to be full. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this does.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch.
Glitch.
I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well. And actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Uh-oh. Move and aim, huh?
I probably just have to delete some files, and then we'll be all set.
This looks interesting. Go this way? Okay, I guess.
Nefarious is here. We don't have the training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now.
Can't do that, huh?
That virus pod sucking energy from the computer. Hey, cut it out.
Guess I can't do anything with that. I don't know. It's like an arcade game. I don't know, you tell me. I can't do anything with these guys, huh? I don't know, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do here. These guys seem like it'd be a continuous spawn. Alright, let's go buy these guys then. Let's go this way. This don't look good. Go this way. Where are they? What am I supposed to do? Is that my objective? Where those things are all hiding out over there? Maybe it is. Yeah, might be my objective. I don't know. Can't tell. I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to do something down there. Ah! What's going on? Infected me. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Is there a goal? Virus nests. So what do I do to the virus nests? I can't seem to blast them like this. Can I? Oh, there we go. That'd be nice if they tell you that. It says the Blitz injectors, but oh, L2. Okay, I wouldn't pay attention again.
Huh? What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? The swarmers are coming out of that pod? Oh no! I gotta delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
There we go. Yeah, pay attention. More virus pods somewhere. I don't know where though. I guess we'll go this way. Guess there's one left somewhere, huh? Oh, here we go.
My electro guns aren't working on that nest. I gotta try something else.
We got that.
Oh man, I really, well, anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
Okay, that was kind of bizarre.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Pretty sure it's not going to be this easy. I love the music.
Warbox, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only the blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that lumber!
Ooh, okay, we're off world. Cool. Sargasso.
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! They under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
So now we get to play as this Lomax. What's her name? I forgot. Find a way to
Where
reach
are you
Morch.
taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
The Gelatonium Factory. Alright, we have a new world? Holy crap, we do. Ooh, that's a long ways away, too. The Morts are in danger. Find them at the Gelatonium Factory. Okay. So there's a couple ways we can go. Guess we could maybe go this way. I wonder if water is bad for me. It looks bad. Looks toxic. Let's see.
Oh no!
Yep, it's toxic. Okay, so we can't go into water. So we have to hop, skip, and a jump our way somewhere, eh? Oh, there's some more stuff. So are those showing up on here? They do a little bit. Uh-oh. Frogs. Raritanium. Okay, we got some more raritanium. Now what about these things? What are these? That's stuff. Okay. This game, and some people may chastise me for this, reminds me of Bloodborne because I suck at Bloodborne. And, you know, doing the same thing over and over again and smashing everything. But at least in this game, when you smash something, yeah, get something. Bloodborne, you very rarely get stuff when you smash something. Uh-oh, here comes some more frogs. Waste ammo on those guys, man. They're pretty. Okay, I'll go this way. So, it says 154 out of 158, and that must be XP. That's the most you can get? I guess smashing stuff? I don't know. What's this? Uh-oh, that don't look good. Oh. Okay.
Great.
That don't look good.
Seeker peed right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. A lot of
seeker
swamp acid
peed.
between here and the Mortz's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Beetles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. Soon as I can get close enough.
Catch a speedle. Catch a speedle. Okay. And here's the girl.
Ratchet, can you read me? Oh dear, my communicator must be broken.
Of course.
So,
Mortz will be at their gelatonium factory. Gotta find a way through the swamp.
alright, well, let's see what she's got. Anything?
Oh,
Anything new?
this wasn't what was in my account last time.
Ooh, a topiary sprinkler.
That is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
We don't have enough dough for that, eh? We can fill our health for 4. Yeah, we'll do that. What the hell?
Lock and load.
And we have a ricochet coming soon. A surefire way to make your enemies see stars. Okay, so we can't get this because we don't have enough money. We have 6 things for upgrade material, which we'll be good with that for now.
Friends now.
Alright, so what do we want to do? We want to ride somebody, huh?
Push my wares in these conditions.
I guess I have to ride one of those guys. Come on, frogs. Huh, lots of frogs. So I have to ride these guys? Is that what I have to do? I guess that's what I have to do. Or maybe ride one of those guys. I don't know. I have to catch a speedle. Okay. Let's get my other one. Wait a minute.
You dispatched them quite capably.
Now my health bar is yellow. I wonder why. Oh, because I'm a different Lombax now. Alright, so I have to catch a speedle. Let's go, what's this? I don't know what that is. Helmet? Okay. Let's go back and load up everything again. It might as well since we're here. What's over here? I don't know what a speedle is.
Miss Zircon, make
Ooh.
you a deal.
All of a sudden it's 101 now to do my health and ammo. Alright. Get loaded up.
See you next time.
Alright, catch a speedle. Got some raritanium. Is that a Speedle? I guess so, because they can glide across the poison stuff. Catch a Speedle over there.
Where's that Speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Uh-oh. Okay. I guess this is where we catch a Speedle. Uh-oh. I guess that's where I gotta go to catch a Speedle.
Last Speedle runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff?
Okay, catch a Speedle. Okay, that looks dangerous. We gotta go down. We don't want to fall way down, so we gotta go this way, huh?
Hey, it's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. Must have
Maynard?
wandered in through the rift somehow.
Hey, Maynard.
There is the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ah,
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
This one?
yeah, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
So, where are we going? Am I supposed to glide it? I guess I'm supposed to steer it. Where am I going now? This way?
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Okay, just like driving a car in Cyberpunk. Where are we going? This way. Okay, does it tell me where I'm going? There's no map because I'm in a thing here. Alright, let's go this way. Stay up here. Hold R1 to speed boost, huh?
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts!
Okay. Ah.
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts!
Alright, let's not speed boost. Going fast enough as it is.
Excuse me!
Coming through.
Look out!
I got it! I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! 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 Stop!
I got to fight that big centipede thing? Probably. Okay, what's going on over here?
Gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't find
follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet.
Let's get the,
I'm telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? That's where your friend is supposed to be.
Wait a minute. Give me my pistol back. Where is it? Pistol. There we go.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Ow. Alright, well, let's throw out the mushroom again. Saved him.
Good, you're okay.
Us? Well, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Head to the hideout. Okay, instigate the dimensional anomaly. Alright, so this looks like a save point. So let's call it a video right here, and we'll come back right to this location. So if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.